Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of GIS Bigfoot Answers. Today what we'll be doing is showing how to digitize polygons in Google Earth Pro. So why don't you get your favorite cup of tea, beer, a coffee, and maybe a muffin or a cookie or a piece of cake, and settle down and learn some GIS mapping. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and like the video. That really helps us out. And right now I've got 1,400 subscribers and I'd appreciate your support. We've got videos on how to use GIS software packages, general GIS mapping techniques, but also we've got Bigfoot encounters and sightings, and we look at those sightings from a GIS point of view, from a mapping point of view, and we look at the physical environment that those sightings occur in. So if you're interested in that kind of thing, please subscribe and have a look at some of the videos that we've got available. So today, again, what we're going to be doing is digitizing polygons. Last time, what we did was we digitized some lines, and those represented the runways for an airport. And basically, it's adding a path in Google Earth Pro, but this is adding like a polygon. Okay, so let's have a look at how we do that. And we're going to zoom in on a couple of storm ponds that are located at this airport. And we're going to use the Add Polygon tool. We're going to call it Storm Pond. And you can determine the style, the color, opacity. And I'm going to say, yeah, maybe we want to see what's below. Don't want to cover up the satellite imagery. Okay. So this, as I showed before, this toolbox is floating and the digitize tool is active. So adding a polygon, and I'm digitizing those corners. And to finish, I'm going to check on the color here, because what I did, I showed that was the actual outline, was that brown color. Let's change it. So maybe a nice blue color. I don't think they're usually nice blue colors, but anyway, and we'll crank up the opacity. You can see how that's dynamic. As I'm cranking up that opacity, you can see the aerial image below that. There's one, and I'm going to click OK. And then what I'm going to do, there's other methods of doing this, but we're going to do that again. Add polygon, storm pond. If these storm ponds had names, you could actually name them, or you could put the name of them in the description down below here. Or this is the eastern one. Eastern pond. And we're going to use the same default color that we've determined before. Digitize them in. Click OK. And we've got two layers. East pond, the west pond. And I'm going to click on the properties for the west pond because I didn't add that in the description. Storm pond at the top. Western pond in the description. And we're going to click OK. Okay, there we go. And so if we want to merge those together, we're going to use the Control key to highlight both layers. And under My Places, called Storm Pond, right-click, combine. Okay, split apart, multi-geometry. You get the two separate. Okay, two separate layers. And you're going to highlight. You can either use the Shift key or the Control key and combine into multi-geometry, and now you have it all on one layer. So if you're digitizing multiple polygons for example, parks, buildings, you can merge them into one layer, which is kind of useful. Let's say you want to export these to a KML. You go Save Place As, and it'll pop up, and you can save KMZ or KML files. So the keyhole markup language file type can be saved. That's how you do it, guys, and hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you again. Hopefully you enjoyed your beer or your coffee or your tea. Thanks a lot. See you later.